How to change Ring Doorbell Wi-Fi or change password. So if you want to change the Ring Doorbell Wi-Fi or change the password on your Ring Doorbell, then just follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is open the Ring app and you need to tap on the menu, which is the three-line or the three-barred menu. And after that, you need to simply go with devices and select the video doorbell or security camera you'd like to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Once you've selected, now you need to tap on device held tile, and under the network, you need to tap and change the network and follow prompts in the application. Allow some time for the device to fully reconnect to your network. Then check your Wi-Fi signal strength in device health to confirm it has successfully reconnected. That's how you can change your Wi-Fi. And if you want to change your Wi-Fi password on your Ring, then simply launch the Ring app and tap on the three-line button in the upper left section of the screen. Choose the account option and select a new password. Type in your current password in the box and now type in the new password and then confirm it. Once you've done, your password will be changed. So that's how you can change your Ring Doorbell password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.